guys, we are in the Maldives. We have been here for 8 days and we've spent a total of $18 per day each.
This is the very beginning of our trip here. So we flew into the airport, which is on Malé, right next to the capital, which is called Malé. For those of you who don't know what the Maldives is or where it is, you are not alone. I didn't actually know where the Maldives was until we were in Sri Lanka, and I found out that it was right next to Sri Lanka. Because of that, we decided to super spontaneously book a flight over here and try to backpack it ourselves. The problem is that the Maldives is not a backpacking destination. If you know anyone who has been to the Maldives, it's probably because you know a celebrity, or maybe you have a very rich neighbor who went there on their honeymoon. Chances are you don't know anyone who has gone there and done it cheaply. That being said, the one way you can always count on traveling cheap is by couch surfing. Before we booked our flight, we found a really nice guy named Misbah who lives in atoll, which is in the very south part of the Maldives. He was nice enough to accept us as couch surfers and also give us a lot of information on how to travel the Maldives on a budget.
He sent us an article about a journalist who traveled the Maldives by cargo ship. It's not a very conventional method of travel. It's mostly for local working class people to get from island to island. So basically we flew into Malé, we took the local shuttle which cost 20 rupiah per person, and we rented an Airbnb for one night. As soon as we woke up in the morning, we took the local ferry, which is 5.5 rupiah per person, to Malé.
In the article that we found, the lady had said that she found a boat next to the fruit and fish market. So when we arrived in Malé, we just started looking for this area and kind of walking around asking people if they knew how to get a boat to Adu.
We ended up finding a boat named Furu Satu. The captain's name was Ahad. They thought it was very weird that we wanted to take this boat, but they accepted, and it cost us 700 rupiah per person.
Adu Atoll, which is where we are going, is a 3-day boat ride from Malé. This being said, we ended up going back to Malé and booking our Airbnb for 3 more nights. This Airbnb was $30 per night, which is actually a really good deal for this area. Malé is actually a really nice island. It's got some quite gorgeous beaches. Most of them are local beaches, and because this is a completely Muslim community, you want to be respectful and swim fully clothed. They do have a small strip of beach, which is the tourist beach, and you are allowed to wear your swimsuit there.
So if you find a local place on Malé, the food price is about 40 rupiah per person. Coming from Sri Lanka, this is a little bit expensive for us, so we go to the grocery store and buy cereal and milk and oatmeal to help offset our budget.
After our 3-day stay in Malé, we took the ferry back to Malé to get on our boat, which was leaving at 3 in the morning, and apparently this is normal.
When we got to the boat, we got settled in and we were shown our sleeping arrangements, which was a wooden floor with about this much space to sit up and was shared with about 20 other passengers.
As we said before, this is a very atypical way for Westerners to travel, so there were not any other Westerner passengers. Most of them were either local Maldivian people or Bangladesh workers who had migrated here. Throughout the 3 days on the boat, we stopped at 2 different islands, Mamandu and Vadu. Both of these islands were absolutely beautiful, and it was really cool to see how some of the locals lived.
So the boat journey in general was pretty fun. We met other passengers and we played a lot of games like Sorry, but a Bangladeshi version of it. The first day the seas were quite calm and smooth. We went pretty fast. The last 2 days were a little bit rough, and then had to take some seasickness pills. I had to sleep a lot so I didn't vomit, but it was okay.
As far as the food, they actually prepared it for us, and we just came and ate 3 times a day. It was really nice because they kind of gave us special treatment and let us come have first pick, and it was really funny because they would wait for us to eat and kind of watch us eat, and then when we were done, everyone else was allowed to come and enjoy.
Our meals mostly consisted of dal curry and paratha and different types of fish dishes.
The main fish caught in the Maldives is tuna, and we actually caught tuna along the way as we were traveling. It was really crazy to see how they did it, and the tuna fish are so big here. It's insane.
On the boat, we enjoyed beautiful sunsets and amazing scenery on the different islands we passed. On our second to last night, we even saw bioluminescent plankton. This is a rare phenomenon where when the plankton get irritated, they light up this glowing blue in the water. Every time the boat would crash down, the waves would come up and they'd all be glowing blue. And it was really, really pretty.
Overall, this has been such a fun and really, really unique experience. I would do it again in a heartbeat, and I hope more people start traveling like this. Our next destination is Hitadu, which is the main island in Adu City.
As always, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time.
You want to say how excited you are or something? You don't look excited.
I'm not excited.
Sure. On our way to the Maldives.
So we just boarded our cargo ship, Hunan. And this is our sleeping arrangements.
Yeah.
And is very excited. There's our fan, keep us cool.